A creature older than the dinosaurs 500 million years old, the horseshoe crab. With its armored body, it's a living fossil of nature, and its blue blood fascinates the scientific world. A special substance in its blood is used in medical sterility tests and helps save lives. Its eyes aren't quite like normal eyes, and its shell is anything but ordinary. Hunting at night, this strange yet captivating creature is one of the ocean's most mysterious inhabitants. Isn't it about time you hit that subscribe button?